This is the front view of the property. Okay, that is the garage. This actually a 4-car garage. There's a half-court basketball court. So that's the master's bedroom with a balcony. And there's a big garden. Okay, this is the okay. Lot is facing east. Lot area is 300 square meters. So this is the main door, main entrance. We're now about to enter the second door, and this is the dirty kitchen. At the back is the driver's quarters. So we're about to enter the second main entrance. This is the main kitchen. Okay, it has cabinets. And that is the maid's room. These are some of the orchids that we planted. So that is actually a sliding door going to the kitchen. Stairs going to the second floor. This is the main toilet and bath at the ground floor. So this is the living room. Has a divider. So this is the living room. Actually, this is the dining room. Okay, I stand corrected. So again, this is the main entrance. So the living room, the furniture is not actually included in the selling price. It can be discussed, no, if interested buyers would like to get appliances as well. It's one of the side entrance, and this is actually the guest room. Can actually be converted into a bedroom. Depends on who's going to stay here. So there are two cabinets, no, for DVDs. We're going out to the guest room, into the dining room again. We are now going to the second floor. Oh, I'll open the light for a bit. We are now on the second level of the property, of the house. This is the family room with cabinets. And this is the master's bedroom. It has its own toilet and bath. And there's the balcony. So this is the balcony. That is the view. That is the main gate. So again, this is the master's bedroom. It has its own toilet and bath, complete with cabinets. So this is actually bedroom number 1 on the second level. Again, the family room. This is bedroom number 2. It's actually a big room. So again, this is bedroom number 2. Okay, just like to show you how big this bedroom is. Again, it has its own cabinets. There's a window on the left side. There's a window at the back. So this is toilet and bath number 3. Bedroom number 3. Again, it has its own cabinet. Moving on to bedroom number 4. It has its own toilet and bath. So now we move on to the third level. The house actually has 3 levels. is actually a big attic. One family can actually stay here. Okay, so this is the third level. It's a big space. So from the third level, we're going down again to the second level. From the second level, we go down now to the first level. Total floor area of the property is 400 square meters. We're going out now again. So this is the dirty kitchen. There's a driver's quarters at the back. Okay, this is the garage. You can actually park 4 cars here. So again, lot area of the property is 300 square meters. Total floor area is 400 square meters. On the second level, we have the 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. On the ground floor, we have the guest room with 1 more toilet and bath. Now this is the view of the side. I would call it the setback. This is the right side of the property. So property is located in Philippines 1, Quezon City. You can call me at 0920 912 7818. Again, this is the front view of the property.